Okay, so when we put it in the calculator, we're going to be doing 5 times 12. And then when you press enter, notice it turns to 60, which is really nice because you don't have to do this separately. You can do it just as you can just put in 5 times 12, which will help your brain to remember that you're going to have to do that. Now, our interest is going to be 8 divided by, and I'm just pressing this division symbol right here, 12. And again, it will do that math for you. Our present value, please remember, it's going to be positive 5,000. Future value is 0, and these are still 1. So let's go back up to payment and see how much Trinity is going to get paid per month. Notice it is negative because the bank hasn't given to her yet. They're just saying, okay, we're going to be giving you 101. You don't have that yet. So let's write that number down, and I'm just going to round negative 101.38 and writing it in a complete sentence. Trinity will receive $101.38 per month for 5 years. Cool. And that's annuity. Okay, our last example is amortization, and this is where these are your car loans, everybody. This is your loan. So taking out a car loan, taking out a loan for a house, that's amortization. And amortization is when the value decreases over time. You buy a car, you drive it off that lot, its value went down. So let's just see. Our amortization example, I just did a simple car loan. Tejas takes out a car loan for $35,000. The loan is for 6 years at 7% per year. Find out how much he has to repay each month. Okay, each month. So he's doing it for 6 years, but for those 6 years, he has to do it every month. So he's actually doing it 6 times 12. Okay, 7% per annum per year. However, we have to transfer that over to monthly. So it's going to be 7 divided by 12. So that's multiplication, that's division, because you have to divide it out. His payment, let's see, he has his present value. He's starting with 35,000. That's what his present value is. That's what he's borrowing. Notice I put it as positive because that's what he's borrowing from the bank. His payment, that's what we want to figure out. And future value is going to be 0, and we have 1 and 1. All right, so let's go to our calculator and see how much Tejas is going to have to pay back. We go up here, we have 6 times 12. Thank you, calculator. 7 divided by 12. Perfect. $35,000. 35, 1, 2, 3. Good. Future value 0, 1, and 1. Let's see how much. Ooh, $596.72. So this is still negative because remember, that's what he's going to be giving to the bank. So let's see. My nice sentence here. He will have to pay Tejas $596.72 per month for 6 years for that car that he wants to borrow. This has been inflation, annuity, amortization, and actually you probably saw a little glitch in the video. I had to make 2 different ones and splice them together. So this is actually my first time putting 2 videos together. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it works out. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you are in my class right now, pretty please, before you go to the calculator, do all of these problems and write down the menus first and then go and calculate everything out. Please, please, I highly suggest you do that. If you're not in my class, I suggest you do that anyways. It helps you get into that mindset of making sure you're labeling the numbers correctly and you're going through the problem correctly. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you.